Today I'm going to show you how to export detailed reports from Microsoft Defender. Okay, so the first thing we need to go ahead and do is sign into the Azure portal at https://portal.azure.com and navigate to your environment. Now, you can search for and select Microsoft Defender for Cloud from the Services menu. Here, you will select Security Alerts and then click Download CSV Report to export your current alert data. This is very simple. Select Recommendations and then click Download CSV Report to download actionable insights. Now, exporting device health and vulnerability data. So, navigate to Reports, look for Device Health and Compliance in the Microsoft Defender portal, access the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Health tab, and use the Export Report option to download comprehensive health status data for all of your managed devices. Also, for organizations managing over 100,000 devices, leverage Microsoft Defender for endpoint APIs to export vulnerability and software assessment data. APIs provide faster, more reliable exports in JSON format or as downloadable files for enterprise-scale operations. You can also enable continuous export in Defender for cloud to automatically stream alerts and recommendations to log analytics, workspaces, or even event hubs. You can customize export filters by severity level, resource type, or specific recommendation categories for tailored data flows. The last thing here is to use Resource Graph Explorer with the Custo Query language, that's KQL, to retrieve and export vulnerability assessment results as a CSV file. Now, this method will provide flexibility, powerful querying capabilities for complex data extraction scenarios, and this is for your entire Azure environment.